The highlight of the show, the brand new 2026 Kenworth W1250. Check the specs here. Secure this junction now.
All right, moving to the passenger side.
This is not a truck factory. This is where the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is built.
Today, we'll show you how a Kenworth W1250 Motorhome comes to life.
The highlight of the show, the brand new 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome. It truly is a marvel of engineering.
Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty platform.
The wiring harness for the W1250 needs rerouting here.
I agree. It conflicts with the new support structure.
Let's adjust the schematic in Sector 4 immediately.
Every motorhome starts with precision engineering.
Check the readout on this joint stress measurement.
Looks good. It's within the acceptable tolerance and we can proceed.
Check the tolerance on the forward strut. It seems slightly out.
Yeah. The tablet shows green across the board now. Alignment is confirmed. check this spot right here, Ken.
Looks like a small inclusion, but it wiped clean. I'll make a note.
Check the specs here. Secure this junction now.
All right, moving to the passenger side.
All right, easy now. Watch the laser guide.
A little more to the left right there.
Looks square. I'm sending down the bolts.
All right, easy now.
Perfect fit.
Whoa. Wow, that looks amazing.
Check this seam near the wheel arch. The reading seems high.
It's elevated. I'm getting a 25% reading right here. Let's note it down.
Make sure the torque wrench is set to the correct specification before tightening the bolts. And double-check the pressure on the rear tires.
Motor production complete.
Built for the road. Designed as a motorhome.
We finally finished it. It looks amazing. Great job, everyone.
Subscribe for more motorhome factory videos.